are holiday appetizers easy to do on a budget?
Yeah.
And in most cases, they really can be really easy to do on a budget. It just...
You have to, well, you don't necessarily have to be super creative.
No,
I think it's just...
I don't think so.
It's just kind of, you have to weigh your options there.
Yeah.
So budget friendly, you have to think, is it going to be easier, quicker, probably less expensive for me to make this homemade? Or is it going to be easier, quicker, less expensive to make it a store-bought meal where I just kind of pick it up? So that could be more towards your platters and those type of things, because I think we've all seen there's veggie, fruit, and a little bit similar to like charcuterie platters
for sure.
that you can get at the store. So depending on the size group you're cooking for, it could be a better option to just pick something up. Or if you have a large enough group, it could be just as easy to make it.